Hello guys, today we are going to take a new car. Hello guys, we just take a new car and we are heading to our garage. We're having an issue. Hello guys, we are in our garage and today we have a reveal of a new car that I'm gonna show you now. Okay guys, this is our new car. It's abandoned for 5 or 6 years, I don't know exactly. It's in a really good shape. It needs some job. As you can see, all the stuff are here. The glasses, the tail lights. We're having an issue with the engine. It's not working perfect, but we are going to make it work. We managed to make it idle, but something is wrong with the spark plugs or the firing process. We need to change the old distributor. Okay guys, we have an issue with the idle of the car. We have to see what is the problem. We will make a small compression test to see if we have a problem with the cylinder or with the timing. Let's start with the compression test first and then we will check the timing of the engine. Okay. Stop. Okay, we have 150 at the 4th cylinder. Go. Stop. 150. Go. Stop. 150. Go. Stop. 40. Go. Stop. Okay. As you can see, we have an issue with the first cylinder. It's got 40 psi and the other three have 150, so we have an issue with the first cylinder. Okay, now a small tip to see if the compression problem is from your piston rings or your head. That is going to happen from the valves or something like that. You spray some oil into the chamber, and if the compression becomes bigger, you have an issue with the piston rings. If the compression is still low, you have an issue with the valve train. Okay, it's enough. Go! Okay. Okay, as you can see, we have the same amount of compression. So possibly we have an issue with the cylinder head, something with the valves or a cracked head. Okay guys, as you can see, we have found the problem of the car. We don't have good compression at cylinder 1, it's very low. Maybe it's a problem with the cylinder head. We take this car today, make it work, make it idle, but it idles a little rough because of the problem with the cylinder valve. So we have to take out the engine. Only that you have to do is to leave us a comment, leave us your thoughts about this car or some same problem that you maybe have. Subscribe to our channel, ring that bell down below, and see you on the next episode that we will take apart the whole engine bay of this car.